Hello and welcome back. So this section is related with data modeling, and you need to understand this concept very carefully because there will be some tricky question from this topic. There could be some use case question uh, also you can find based on this topic. So you should be aware about the relationship, which is one to one to many to many, how that works. With some example, you should understand that concept. Now, star schema versus snowflake schema both are related with the fact and dimension table kind of schema, but snowflake is a little advanced than the star schema. Star schema is little simpler to understand, but snowflake is little complex. So you should be aware about in detail, in depth knowledge about the fact and dimension. You should also create some sample tables of fact and dimension table and understand the difference, understand how that schema is used within these two concept. So uh, remember remember how you can use these two schema and exploit their uses. Now, along with that, as I mentioned earlier, the DAX one, which is used in Power BI to write simple logic, you should be aware, and please try to write some kind of uh, a small logic which involves like function like sum, average, calculate, mean, those kind of function. So try to create some sample exercise is given in the Microsoft Learning also, so you can make use of that. And then you should also be aware about the calculated tables and time intelligence function. So there are some time based function also, you should do some practice on that. So remember, modeling of data is a very important chapter for TP700, and you should spend some time for that. Okay, so this conclude this particular topic. Let's move to the next topic.